The world wants better batteries now. Join us at Enpower Greentech to provide smarter power for a greener planet. We have built a global battery portfolio that currently enables A and B sample packs and modules for EV passenger and commercial vehicles, e-motorcycles, and personal mobility, small and large multi-use drones, which are opening the door for some thrilling emerging technologies like air taxi, eVTOLs, and more. Enpower Greentech's energy-dense semi-solid Swift battery currently powers technologies in Japan, Europe, China, Southeast Asia, and North America, with many more nations waiting for samples. Our Ann Arbor, Michigan Gigafactory will address the demand for batteries made in the USA at full production by the end of 2024. But we need to expand our team as 2024 marks one of the most important years yet. American-made LFP and LMFP batteries will multiply our capacity and sales by over 10x. And in order to achieve this milestone, we need you. Join us to empower the green tech revolution.